ChatGPT will kill millions of jobs. Will your job be safe or unsafe? According to Goldman Sachs report, 300 million jobs will disappear from this world. Around 60% of US workers will be affected. And if you are having a job where more than 50% of the work can be done by using bots, you will be laid off. As per Salesforce, 57% of senior IT leaders believe that generative AI is a game changer because it is intuitive and helpful, and the end user sees the same. Gordon Moore, ex-CEO of Intel, who coined famous Moore's Law in 1965, which says the number of transistors in an integrated circuit will double around every 2 years. And now Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, which has made ChatGPT, says a prospective new version of Moore's Law is where intelligence in the universe is going to double every 18 months. It's scary, isn't it? So far, AI has not disrupted your job, but ChatGPT is different. It is disruptive, transformative, and revolutionary, and we all don't know the extent and impact of such disruption. It is something like automobiles 100 years back, which has totally killed ostrich feather hat fashion industry. During my visit to an ostrich farm in South Africa, my guide said that in 1913, with the advent of automobiles, this whole industry got killed because ladies could no longer wear large wind-catching hats bedecked with plumes because they just can't enter with those hats inside the automobiles, so they get rid of it. Did automobile makers at that time thought that they will kill this industry? No wonder many CEOs are worried about the unknown impact of ChatGPT, and they are asking governments to put a pause in this research. But the genie is already out. Is this going to be the atom bomb on the job market? So watch my video until the end, where I am going to talk about which jobs will be impacted, which jobs will be safe, and which jobs will be enhanced with the help of AI tools. And followed by that, I am going to tell you 5 steps which you need to take in order to have job security. And if you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, which is having more than 100 videos on career and professional growth, then please do it. And also watch my other popular video, develop 3 non-technical skills to flourish in the era of ChatGPT, AI and ML. Jobs impacted. In the next few years, many jobs will be impacted. Say for example, in software development, basic programming skills, data analytics, technical writing, internationalization of UX will go away. In BPO, low-skilled service sector jobs are at major risk. CEO of Founder IT says that around 7% of the job in low-skilled service sectors in BPO, say customer support, customer service, back office support, will go away in a very near future. In media, BuzzFeed has fired 12% of its workforce, mostly comprising journalists and copywriter. Advertising will also be at risk. In legal, paralegal and legal assistant jobs are at risk. In finance, market research analyst, financial analyst, and personal financial advisor's job will be at risk. In manufacturing, many manufacturing jobs will be at risk because of robots. In fashion modeling industry, this whole industry will be at risk. In accounting, bookkeeping, payroll, basic accounting functions will be at risk. New jobs. As per World Economic Forum report, 75 million new jobs will be created by 2025. ChatGPT is an engine, a new cloud. It will have its own monopoly. Around thousands of startups are coming up, which is building their applications around these generative AI products and in order to cater various market segments, and they are creating new jobs. The type of new jobs can be prompt engineer who can write specific commands to ChatGPT to get the desired result or to find bugs. Development and maintenance of AI and automation across industries. AI-driven self-driving car. Data detectives or scientists, robotics engineer, machine manager and programmers who can code in Python. Psychology, linguistic, neuroscientist, computational intelligence, data modeling, all these jobs will come up. Third, enhanced jobs. AI will not replace professionals, but professionals who are using AI will replace professionals who are not using AI. ChatGPT is generating code faster. testing faster, releasing faster, and bug fixing faster. It is a productivity enhancer. So all these roles will require intelligent AI tool in order to enhance their productivity. Say for example, CEOs, knowledgeable executives, computer scientists, advanced programming skills holder, blockchain developer, web designer, graphic designer, hardware design engineer, and so on. They all will have their productivity boost if they use it, intelligent AI tools. Physical or outdoor jobs are safest. As per Goldman Sachs report, they are least affected. Doctors, nurses, healthcare technicians, hike guides, fitness trainers, sports coach, carpenter, cook, and so on. Across industries, any high-skilled worker, knowledge worker, special skilled worker will be in demand provided they use AI intelligent tools to increase their productivity. So what you should do? First, start using ChatGPT. 3.5 version is free of cost. Else you can pay $20 per month to use ChatGPT Plus. You should try to understand all its potential. Some companies are giving access to their employees to start using ChatGPT. But keep two things in mind. Don't put confidential information in ChatGPT. In Samsung, engineers in semiconductor division were asked to use ChatGPT to fix bugs faster. But then in that process, they have put confidential source code and internal meeting note, which then hacked and leaked. Second, use ChatGPT for generative purpose. You can generate art, code, video, image, but don't use it for search. For that, Bing or Google is there. Second, focus on language. ChatGPT is in English, but now it is going to support many other languages. It is important that you should brush up your language skill. Jaspreet Binda said, yesterday coding was the new English. Today, English is the new coding. Rob Lennon said, the coolest new programming language is English. If it is written in language R, it means data science. Python for ML. And if it is using PowerPoint, then it is for generative AI. Third, up your game. You need to be in the top 30% in your team because this is going to provide you a safety net. This is going to give you time to gauge the impact of generative AI on your job. Fourth, be human. Start developing some good human skills. Truthfulness. Truthfulness is going to be very important as it is going to distinguish between fakeness and truthfulness because ChatGPT is built on plausibility or believability. It is not built on truthfulness. A Reddit user called iBreak took a photo of moon and then he used Samsung camera using space zoom feature and that converted that moon with finer details using their AI and he declared it is fake. Second, mistakes are okay. Minor spelling mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, and other mistakes are okay because it is going to tell you that you are human and not a machine. But don't face time. In order to achieve perfection, you need to be fast in showing progress. Manual work importance. You have seen handicrafts are priced more than machine-generated work because there is a market for it. Similarly, manual work will get importance just like mental work. So you need to develop hobby or passion to be outside, do some outdoor activities and physical activities in addition to your mental work job. So professionals, I hope you have got a good summary where we are heading and what you have to do. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.